I spent the last 2 years testing AI tools for side hustles, so you don't have to. Some were a waste of time, but some changed everything. Today, I'm sharing the ones that actually work and exactly how to use them to start making money. I'm not just listing tools, I'm showing you what side hustle each one unlocks. So let's get into it. So let's start with the most obvious one that everybody has heard of, ChatGPT. If you're not using this one yet, you're literally working 10 times harder than you need to. Here's what it does. It writes, brainstorms, plans, edits, answers questions, it solves problems. It's like having a business partner who never sleeps and never complains and is always there to hype you up. So what are some of the side hustles that it unlocks? Freelance writing, social media management, digital products, KDP books, UGC scripts, email marketing, content creation, basically everything. And here's how to use it. I use ChatGPT to outline scripts like this one. I write product descriptions. I use it to brainstorm video titles, to help me create digital product content, and to help me draft customer emails. If you're only going to use one AI tool, this is the one. And the free version, it works fine. The pro version is a bit faster and opens up more features. And tool number 2 is Claude. It's another one that you might have heard of. It's ChatGPT's smarter cousin. So what does it do? Everything ChatGPT does, but it's better at long-form writing and understanding complex instructions. And some of the side hustles it unlocks are KDP books, especially longer ones, freelance writing, course creation, business planning, and research-heavy content. So how do I use it? When I need something longer or more nuanced, I use Claude. It's better at keeping context over really long conversations. If ChatGPT feels like it forgets what you're talking about, go and try Claude. And tool number 3 is Gamma app. Now this one is really underrated. It's like Notebook LM, except you can edit it. So what does it do? It creates documents, websites, presentations in seconds. You type in a topic and it can build the whole thing. And some of the side hustles it unlocks. Digital products, of course, pitch decks, guides, ebooks, coaching materials, lead magnets, client proposals, course slides. So how do I use Gamma? I use Gamma to help me create digital products fast. Instead of spending hours in Canva, I take all of my research and I will plug it in as an outline into Gamma app. Then I type what I want Gamma app to build and it will help me build it. After you've plugged in all of your research, your experience, your data, and your illustrations, then you head over to Etsy or Gumroad to sell it. If you're selling digital products and not using Gamma, you're wasting a ton of time. Tool number 4 is Notebook LM. And this one is from Google and it's free. So what does it do? You upload documents, articles, videos, notes, and it turns it into organized research, infographics, presentations, mind maps. So what are the side hustles that it can unlock? Content creation, course creation, KDP books, coaching, consulting, or research-heavy freelance work. So how do I use it? I'll put all of my research into Notebook LM and I'll ask it to summarize and create some infographics or presentations. It's like having a design and research assistant who creates everything for you. And tool number 5, if you want to start a blog, a newsletter, or write articles, this is the tool for you. Write Blogger. So what does it do? It writes optimized blog posts, generates headlines, creates outlines, writes full articles, and so much more. So what are some of the side hustles that it can unlock? Blogging, affiliate marketing, niche websites, freelance writing. So how do I use it? I use it to save time by turning my video scripts into blog posts. One video becomes a YouTube video and a blog post and a newsletter article. It's triple the reach with one idea. And tool number 6, and you probably already know Canva, but are you using all of its AI features? So what does it do? It designs everything: social posts, thumbnails, ebooks, planners, and now it has AI image generation and Magic Write. So what are some of the side hustles it can unlock? Print on demand, digital products, social media management, KDP books, and content creation. If you're going to go pro with one tool, this is definitely the tool to use. And how do I use it? I design all my digital products in Canva, planners, checklists, guides, and I use the AI features to generate images and write text. And if you're not on Canva Pro, you should definitely invest in it. Tool number 7. This is another one from Google. It's specific but powerful. Nano Banana. So what does it do? It can create AI images, coloring book pages. You describe what you want and it generates line art ready for KDP books or digital downloads. So what are some of the side hustles that it can unlock? AI coloring books, activity books, printables, book pages, clip art. So how do I use Nano Banana? Besides doing tutorials, I like to use Nano Banana to create coloring books based off sketches that I do. I'll have it create backgrounds for some of the character projects that I'm working on. And I'll even have it create newsletter covers. If you want to do KDP without being an artist, use Nano Banana. Tool number 8, Kiddle. For print on demand specifically, Kittl is amazing. So what does it do? It's a design platform built for POD. Professional templates, easy text effects, export ready for Printify and merch. So what are some of the side hustles it unlocks? Obviously print on demand, merch by Amazon, Etsy print on demand, TikTok print on demand. And how do I use it? I use it when I want to design something that looks professional without hiring a designer and I want to save time. I'll go to Kittl. Remember, chasing trends is only going to work if you're fast. Kittl will help with that. And it's a lot faster than Canva for print on demand. Tool number 9, and this one is wild, 11 Labs. So what does it do? It's AI voice generation. You type in text, it speaks it in a realistic voice, and you can even clone your own voice or change your voice to another accent or another language. Some of the side hustles it unlocks: faceless YouTube channels, audiobooks, voiceovers for videos, course narration, podcast intros. So how do I use it? If I need a voiceover, but I don't want to record it, I'll consider 11 Labs. It's also perfect for audiobook creation. Write a book with ChatGPT, narrate it with 11 Labs, and then sell it on Audible. Tool number 10, and this one is for video, Kling AI. So what does it do? It generates AI video from text or images. You can describe a scene and it creates the videos. It's also really great for lip syncing. So if you have a character that has lips, it can lip sync to any audio that you upload. So what side hustles does it unlock? Faceless content, social media videos, product ads, UGC style content. So how do I use Kling AI? I basically use Kling AI for tutorials, faceless content, and B-roll. And if you don't want to be on camera because you're an introvert or because you don't want to be on screen, this is AI's answer to that. Tool number 11, BookBolt. This one's specifically for KDP. BookBolt is absolutely essential for KDP. So what does it do? It researches best-selling books on Amazon. It can create interiors, design covers, all in one platform. Side hustles that it unlocks: KDP low content books, journals, planners, and activity books. So how do I use it? I use BookBolt to research what's actually selling on Amazon before I create anything, and that will save me a ton of time and wasted effort. And I used to use it to build interiors really fast. And tool number 12, eRank. For Etsy sellers, eRank is your secret weapon. In fact, it helped me with the examples in my video, 11 KDP books making over $100,000. So what does it do? It's keyword research for Etsy. It shows you what people are searching, what's trending, how competitive keywords are, and what side hustles can it unlock. Obviously, Etsy digital products, Etsy print on demand, Etsy printables, but even physical products. So how do I use it? I use it a lot for tutorials, but before I list anything on Etsy, I go to eRank and Everbee. If no one's searching for what you're trying to sell, no one's going to buy it. Okay, let me show you how these can work together. For a KDP side hustle, ChatGPT or Claude for writing, Nano Banana for coloring pages or illustrations, Canva for colors, BookBolt for research or interiors. For digital product side hustle, you can use ChatGPT for content, Gamma app for the design, Canva for formatting, eRank for Etsy keywords. And for content creation side hustle, ChatGPT for scripts, Notebook LM for thumbnails, Canva for formatting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Kling AI for B-roll. For print on demand, ChatGPT for slogans, and Kittl or Canva for designs. For faceless content, you're going to want ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voice, and Kling AI for the video. You don't need all of these tools. Pick a side hustle, pick the tools that match, and then start. 2 years ago, I was doing everything manually: writing, designing, researching, editing, and it took forever. Now I use AI to help me, and I get 10 times more done in half the time. These tools aren't meant to replace you or your creativity. They're just meant to help you and multiply you. So pick one side hustle, pick 2 or 3 tools, and just start building. If you want to see how to create digital products using these tools, you can watch this video next. Comment below what tool you're going to start with first. I'll see you in the next video.